Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Subhojit. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. So today I have come up with one more version update, version 2.2.13 of my Google Chrome extension retrieve metadata and data from Salesforce. So in this version update I'll talk about one very interesting new feature that I have introduced, which will help the Salesforce developers and the admins in their day-to-day activity a lot. So the feature that I have introduced here is goes by the name of text delimiter. So what it does, let's see it in action. So let's say I have this 10 set of records in my column, right? So I have already exported this column, and just for the purpose of demo, and I'll be demoing this feature along with this set of data. So as you can see that the first three characters of these IDs are 001. This means this is the account data. Okay. So now let's say I don't have the full record details of this particular record, and I want to query it in Salesforce, right, with the help of these IDs. So to use this record IDs directly in a SOQL will not work. I have to make some formatting with so that I can use it in the filter, right? So to do that formatting, if you do it manually for this small amount of data, it is going to take some time for you, okay? And if the number of records or number of rows are more, then it would take forever to achieve your task, right? So for that I have come up with a very interesting update in this new version, so which will give you the formatted data in just a click of a button. Let's see how. I have just copied my all the 10 record IDs here, and I'll go back to my Chrome extension by clicking on this left side panel button, and when the Chrome extension opens, you will see the latest version 2.2.13 of this Chrome extension. So when you are in this particular version update, then you can see one more option here, which is called text delimiter. Now when you click on this text delimiter option, it will give you two text boxes. In one of the text boxes where it is saying that you can paste in your column data, so I have just copied my column, all the account records which is present in my column. So I'll just paste it over here. So once it is pasted, when you click outside, you can see the total number of row count is 10. This means the 10 record IDs are being pasted here. And to format it, let's say I need to put my delimiter text here, which will basically be used in adding a delimiter along with this particular data. So the default delimiter here is comma, but for my SOQL query I need that a different delimiter. So the delimiter that I'd be needing is first single quote, then comma, and then the second single quote. So now when I click on this button convert, it will simply give me the data with this delimited text in between each record, right? Now I can easily copy this whole record IDs and go to my SOQL option and just type in my SOQL query. So since I know that this is the record IDs of account, so I'll simply query the ID and name from my account object, and I'll put the filter of IDs here like this. Okay, now I can click on this retrieve button, and you can see it will give me 10 set of accounts with those belong to those IDs, right? So you can see that this is so easy, and I don't have to worry much about formatting those data or formatting those column data which I have in my Excel sheet. So with the help of this text delimiter, my work has been so easy, and it would give me the formatted data in a just click of a button. So yeah, this is it about the feature in this particular version update. I hope you would like this feature a lot, and do use this feature in your daily activity. I am sure that you must be dealing with these use cases a lot in your day-to-day activity. So this would help you a lot. So yeah, that's it. If you like this video, then do like and subscribe to my channel, and do share this video with your friends and colleagues so that they also get benefited with this. And that's it. Bye bye. Have a good day.